of Binondo's oldest and finest is back to serve your classic Chinatown favorites. Experience traditional cuisine that is distinctly Binondo's, Cantonese food with Filipino and Spanish influences. Becoming San Jacinto in 1894, Panciteria San Jacinto opened on Calle San Jacinto, serving Cantonese food with Filipino and Spanish influences. Its popularity with both Chinese and Filipino diners helped the Panciteria become a staple in Binondo. The name San Jacinto became more synonymous with its food and less with its location that it kept its name even after the street was renamed to Tomas Pinpin in 1913. Beyond Binondo, a new home was found along Quezon Avenue right next to Delta Theater. The old Panciteria was reintroduced as New San Jacinto Food Center to mark this new chapter. Being the only one of its kind outside Binondo, San Jacinto became the go-to Cantonese restaurant in the area for all kinds of occasions, from the simplest moments to the most special celebrations. Closing a chapter in 2009, New San Jacinto Food Center had to temporarily cease operations due to unfortunate circumstances. It briefly reopened as Kaku Restaurant until its closure in 2012. Meanwhile, the franchises decided to move on from the San Jacinto brand and continue under new names. These restaurants still exist and are carrying on with heavy influence from San Jacinto. Finding new paths, even though the restaurant could not continue, San Jacinto figured out new ways to keep the old tradition alive. With the original recipes carefully kept and the love for cooking still intact, San Jacinto chose to focus on other food-related ventures. The menu was extended to accommodate catering and cafeteria demands while staying true to the San Jacinto tradition. Continuing the tradition, for the past decade, orders for old San Jacinto favorites have kept coming despite the absence of a restaurant. This heartwarming recognition of our food encouraged us to continue the legacy of San Jacinto. New journey starts in a humble place, just like how everything began. Because it doesn't matter where San Jacinto is. What matters is that it's San Jacinto. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.